In this video, we will be showing and discussing pencils. Pencils are a very useful and nice writing utensil to have. I personally appreciate them very much. First, I will show you some wooden pencils. Here you can see two wooden pencils. These are examples of the Ticonderoga pencil made by Dixon. One is an old specimen, whilst the other is a newer example. I will show writing with the old one now. Now that I have written with the old one, I will now write with the newer one. Now I will show you another wooden pencil, this one being a green one. It is the Earthright pencil made by Sanford. Sanford is the same as Papermate. Now listen to Mike as he discusses mechanical pencils.
Hi there. My name is Mike. I will show you some interesting old mechanical pencils and will also perform writing tests. The first unit we have here is an old BIC pencil, perhaps one other the earliest of this well-known series. It uses 0.7 mm lead and is made in France. Now we will take notice of the differences between this BIC pencil and other more typical BIC pencils. You can see that this old unit has no clip. It also does not specify the lead size. Also, take notice of the different eraser types. Both have the same form factor otherwise, and are made in France. We'll now show writing with this pencil. We will now explore some other BIC pencils. Here are some pencils that were likely manufactured in the 1990s. They have different clip colors and take notice of the black erasers loaded onto them. Both use 0.7 mm lead and are made in France. Now I will perform writing tests with these pencils. Take notice of the way the pencil sounds as it writes. Now I will show you a more modern BIC pencil. Here you can see that the outer case is clear, while the inner part is black. Also here I am showing a unit that has a grip to add comfort while writing. Both units use 0.7 mm lead. Now, of course, I will do writing tests with these pencils. Now here are 3 BIC pencils. I am showing these to show the 3 lead sizes available on BIC pencils. The one on the left uses 0.5 mm lead. The middle one 0.7, and the one on the right uses 0.9 mm lead. Writing tests will be performed as always. Next, Gregory will show you some Papermate pencils.
Hello there. I am Gregory. How are you doing today? I have 3 Papermate mechanical pencils I want to show you. First, you can see the Papermate Wright Brothers mechanical pencil. It is known for being very cheap and to break quite easily. Yet nonetheless, I will show you writing with this pencil. Oh, and by the way, it uses 0.7 mm lead and is made in India. Now I will show you the classic and well-known Papermate Sharpwriter. Here are 2 examples. One is the classic yellow-colored one, whereas the other is a less common blue model. Both use 0.7 mm lead and, contrary to popular belief, are actually refillable. I refilled the blue one with pentel lead. Now I will perform writing tests with each. Listen to the way it sounds as the lead writes on the paper. Now for the last of these 3 pencils, I will show you the Papermate Top-Notch pencil, using 0.7 mm lead. This pencil is probably from the late 1990s. I will show you how it writes.
Hello, my name is Scott. I have a set of colorfully pencils, made by a lesser-known company, called Pentech. These mechanical pencils use 0.7 mm lead and have interesting sensory input while writing. I will show you writing with some of them. Take careful notice of how the writing sounds.
Hi Diho, my name is Jack. I will show you two interesting paper-made pencils. The first one here is the Dynagrip, which uses 0.5mm, and it is a nice pencil that has amazing sensory input. I will write with it now. Now I will show you another pencil. This one is the Comfort Mate Ultra, also made by Paper Mate. It uses 0.7mm lead and I will write with it. Pay careful attention to the squeaky lead. I really like squeaky lead.
Bye bye. I hope you enjoy this video showing different mechanical pencils.